Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE 100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,857.63. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged lower by 0.01%, while Germany's DAX gained 0.9%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed higher at 25,913.9, with the S&P 500 also finishing stronger at 7600.5, supported by renewed hopes of US-Iran diplomatic engagement and strong corporate earnings. In company news, banking giant HSBC exceeded first-half profit expectations and announced a further $1 billion share buyback, reinforcing its capital return strategy. Energy major BP more than doubled second-quarter profit as stronger oil prices supported earnings and cash generation. Against sterling, the US dollar, Swiss franc, and Australian dollar were broadly unchanged. The euro edged slightly higher, the Japanese yen weakened modestly, and Bitcoin rose slightly. In commodities, copper and gold moved higher, Brent crude eased, while natural gas strengthened. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great Tuesday.